Hello, my dear students of class 9th. Dear student, continuing chapter tissue by solving the questions, and in this session you all will be able to solve the remaining part of the question answer from chapter tissue. And the remaining part, let us start the remaining part of chapter tissue. And that parts are filling the blanks, true false, match the column, etc. Dear student, come to the point, and the point is, first of all, let us maintain this class 9 biology. So student, first of all, come to the point, that is filling the blanks. Filling the blanks means the gap that is given in the question, in between the question, that what you are doing since last so many years in previous classes. So let us start. The cork cell possesses dash spaces on dash on their walls that makes them impervious to gases and water. So cork cells possesses spaces. Cork cell, that is the outermost covering of the plant, okay, and these cork cells possesses spaces. So in first use fill, in first, that will be the spaces. These spaces facilitate the gases and water exchange, and just below these spaces there are rupture of the एपिडर्मल लेयर. एपिडर्मल लेयर रप्चर रहती है और वो अंदर तक गैसियस और वाटर के एक्सचेंज को परफॉर्म कराती है. सेकेंड, डैश have the tubular cell with perforated wall and living in nature. Epidermal cork cells. Epidermal cells, not cork cells. So in second there will be the epidermal cells. So these epidermal cells are responsible for the perforated wall, and they are the living in nature. Next, that is the bone possesses a hard matrix composed of calcium and phosphorus. Bone possesses a hard matrix composed of calcium and phosphorus. So in third, you will fill calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus. And dear student, come to next, that is lining of the blood vessels is made up of epithelial tissue. So in 4 tissue, epithelial tissue. And 5, lining of small intestine is made up of columnar epithelial tissue. So 5 columnar epithelial tissue. Columnar epithelial tissue. Or you can say that these are the villi. Then next 6, question number 6, that is the lining of kidney tubule is made up of secretory epithelial cells. Kidney tubule, secretory epithelial cells. Secretory epithelial cells. Then epithelial cells with cilia are found in respiratory tract of our body. So come to 7, that is respiratory tract of our body. So students, these are the filling the blanks. And now come to the true false. True false. The true false section, that is given in your book. So meristematic tissue is dividing tissue present in the growing region of the plant. This is true. So 1 true. Now come to T and F. And in this 1 true, 2 true, 3 true. How does it be? Second, permanent tissue are divided from meristematic tissue once they lose their ability to divide. That is true. Third, parenchyma tissue is a type of permanent tissue that consists of the relatively unspecified cells with thin cell wall. That is true. And come to 4, xylem transport food from the leaves and other parts of the plant. This is false. So 4 is false. 4 F. 5. Question number 5, stomata present in the epidermis of the leaf are necessary for the exchange of gases with the atmosphere. That is true. 5, that is true. And 6, parenchyma are permanent live cells with thin cell wall. Parenchyma are permanent live cells with thin cell walls. Parenchyma are permanent live cells with thin cell wall. 6 T. 6 2. 7. Collenchymatous tissue consists of long and narrow dead cells with thick cell wall due to lignin. This is false. F. So 7F. 7F. Now 8. A neuron consists of a cell body with a nucleus and cytoplasm from which long thin hair-like parts arise. That is true. 8 true. 8 true. Now come to next, that is 9. The movement of the food in the alimentary canal or the contraction and relaxation of blood vessels are involuntary movement. This is false. So 9 will be false. 9 will be false. And come to 10, that is the areolar connective tissue is found in the nose, ear, trachea and larynx. That is false. 10, yeah. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. These are the 70 questions that is given as the true false. Now, 11, bone is connective tissue with which forms the framework that support the body. That is true. T. Now, 12, the respiratory tract, the cuboidal epithelial tissue also has cilia, which are hair-like projections on the outer surface of the epithelial cells. This is F, 12 F. Cilia are found in the epithelial cells, that is why they are called the ciliated epithelium. And now, 14, muscular tissue consists of striated, unstriated and cardiac tissue. Muscular tissue consists of striated, unstriated and cardiac tissue. That is true. So, 13 true. 14, muscular tissue consists of striated and unstriated 14 true, and 13 was the skin lining. This will be the F. 13, question number 13, the skin lining of the mouth, lining of the blood vessels, lung alveoli, kidney tubules are made up of connective tissue. This is false. 15, the muscles of the heart showing rhythmic contraction and relaxation are called cardiac muscles. This is true. 15 true. And now 16, that is cell of the cork are dead, suberized and compactly arranged. This is true. Again, this is true. And 17, voluntary muscle control the movement of the iris of the eye. This is true. 17. Dear student, come to the next, that is the match the column. And if you match the column, so that is given on the page number 87. And this match the column, that you will get the, definitely you will get the PDF. And these matches are blood, that is the fluid connective tissue, involuntary movement, that is movement of the food in the alimentary canal or contraction and relaxation of the blood vessels. Then cartilage, that is the smoothened bone surface at joints. Then cuboidal epithelium that forms the lining of the kidney tubule and ducts of the salivary gland. Then columnar epithelium that forms the inner lining of the intestine. Then simple squamous epithelium that forms the esophagus and lining of the mouth. So these are the matches. And next matches, that is the filling of the space inside the organ, that is areolar tissue. Striated muscles are the skeletal muscles. Adipose tissues are subcutaneous layer. Then surface of joint, that is the cartilage. Then striated squamous epithelium, that is the skin. Permanent tissue, that is the sclerenchyma, and collenchyma is the having a localized thickening. So students, these are the some of the match the columns. And now in this section you will see the book exercises. As far as the book exercises are concerned, here certain diagrams has been given in your book. You have to see this book. See this book. This diagram, and this diagram is given in front of you. So my dear student, you have to see this diagram. This diagram is having intercellular spaces. You have to identify on the behalf of the intercellular spaces. So since these are having the intercellular spaces, that is why they will be the parenchyma. And these cells, thin cell wall, these cells are not having the intercellular spaces, thick cell wall, so they will be the collenchyma. And these cells are the cells which are called sclerenchyma, and these are the dead cells made up of sclerids, found on the covering of the different seed-like structures. Okay. And now come to the next, that is the group discussion. If you will be divided into the group, then you have to take your topic, and where is the meristematic tissue found in the plant, that you have to prepare. What are the various types of the tissue in the plants? What is the difference in between the parenchyma and collenchyma tissue? That you have to make a discussion among yourself. Write the difference between the xylem and phloem. Name the different components of the xylem and phloem. So these are the topics that may be chosen by you people, you students, for the group discussion. Then role play session, my dear student. Role play session, you have to be an actor. You have to act like a component. So name the different types of the tissue found in you. If you are a man, human, then you have to name the different types of the tissue. Name the tissue which is found on the surface of your skin. Is supposed to be a single layer of flat, thin and plate-like cells. कौन सा होगा? Squamous epithelial tissue. Where is the cuboidal epithelium found in your body? Cuboidal are found in the kidney tubules as well as in the inner lining of the skin. Which of your connective tissue help in the forming the framework of your support to the body? The connective tissues are bone, cartilage, ligament and tendons. Then what are the function of voluntary and involuntary muscle in your body? The function of the voluntary muscles are the performance of the running, performance of the weightlifting, playing, etc. All the external work that is done by these specific cells. Then which of your tissue transmit stimulus rapidly within the body? Name the parts composed of such tissue. So that tissue is nervous tissue, which conduct the impulses. And now seminar cell capable of cell division, apical, lateral, meristematic. So the seminar, this is the research topic. Seminar कैसे हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है, that you have to do it. And when your school will be open, that will be conducted in the class itself. So dear students, these are some of the question and answer exercises that is given in your book, and you have to do it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Have a great day. Good day. God bless you.